Just a very quick review about our products.
I remember that.
You remember this?
Hiyo ndio ilikuwa packaging ya zamani.
Tulitoka hapo.
Tulitoka hapo.
This was 1978.
Yes.
And when you compare this 1978 and this,
Yes. Quite a journey.
the same company, but it has.
Yes, that's right.
So really just to make this a quick summary is that we are exporting.
Yes.
And we are in over 20 countries. And our flagship brand is Safari. That Safari has moved from the food even customized. That's what so these are customized. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now something else, Your Excellency. This people comes and says that because of capacity, these are very good.
But for him.
Yes.
This was
Japan. This was Japan. This was Kuwait. This is yes. This is Somalia. You see all these guys. This is I mean, you can't even say we're active in Japan, but with our capacity able to do that.
I'm not sure at this stage system that there must be a macro Kenyan plan so that we don't, even if we do Jumbo for somebody, it must have a Kenyan, signature.
Exactly.
Map of origin.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's very important. So, Excellency, so you find some customers that is really our flagship brand. Maybe we can speak something. Good afternoon.
This is the one that we put on the team there.
So we have
Jamusha.
Yes. So we have the biggest.
So all these are different things.
Yes.
So I guess it's
okay.
But against one lighter it's a bit lighter.
Okay.
Now something else we also do is have officials. So we are not at it. We are a good ritual. So this have cardamom
Nenda.
Maybe you can give more information. Yeah, the machine, the new one. So, how are you, my dear?
Thank you. This is the quality controller.
Yes.
And take care of the quality control. So, at Kericho, this lab we actually control all the blending that is happening.
Yes.
So before we do any blending, we must first come to our treatment to be sure that the brand that we have is consistent. Yes. So the Fahari of Kenya is the main brand that we do. That is
So this
Safari
one
Pure.
is sold where?
We do it locally and exports.
And exports.
Yes, right.
Okay.
So this is Safari Pure, which is our premium. We blend 2 of our grades, what you have seen, and purely from KTDA factories.
Very good.
Yes, this one is our Fahari ya Kenya. We blend 3 of the grades that you have seen, and it is the one that is very commonly used here.
This is Fahari.
That is Fahari, yes. So
This
Fahari,
is the one that you put in the nini.
because they like using a lot of milk. If they use the other one, they would say it is kaishiki, so they would use a lot of it. So for the people that are doing the tea without milk, that one is preferred. And then we have Mutu Yaba. Yes. In fact, we have extended this to the northeastern guys do a very strong tea.
Yeah, they like very
Deep
strong.
in color and very strong.
So they buy a lot of this, or which one?
They buy a lot of this. We have extended this that has more of the fiber in the ingredients.
Okay.
Yes.
Excellency, we're the biggest consumers of tea.
Yeah. And then we have now the specialty range. Specialty because of how it is manufactured. The orthodox, and then the green one is the one that skips the fermentation or oxidation stage.
Okay.
So this is the green tea, and this is the black orthodox. This is the white tea and the purple tea. So these ones are from the green bush, but this one is from the purple bush.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one.
So orthodox is which one? It starts from where?
Orthodox starts from here.
Yeah. That way.
Yeah, this way.
Okay.
The process that we are doing for our purple
So green tea is not orthodox.
We don't package at the moment green orthodox, but we are doing green CTC because we are doing it in a tea bag.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then it goes that way.
Yeah, this way. So this one is actually a very fine and a very good drink. This one, it is the tip.
Okay.
The tip or the pad of the lid
Okay.
of the tea.
Okay.
Yes, and this one, it's normally very fine and very good because it has anti-aging properties.
Okay.
Yes.
This one, right?
Yes, the white tea. So when you do in order of health benefits, it will go in that way. The purple tea is top, very high in anthocyanins, and this one.
You don't grow old.
It actually helps. It is a very good antioxidant, and then it has the properties also that slows the aging. Yes. So
As you go this way.
yes, in terms of
Thank you.
so here with our tea bags, we have actually grown. We are becoming eco-friendly. We started with this polythene type, and now we have moved here. Both from outside and inside. Even the filter paper initially used to be the heat seal, and anything that is heat seal requires.
So it's pure paper now. No more plastics.
No more plastic.
Yes.
What about the chuma there?
There's no chuma. It's pressure paper.
Yeah. There's no more chuma. No more chuma.
Actually, Excellency, we are getting inquiries from customers who say they want a product that is
Eco-friendly. And this is it.
That is it. And they also don't want chuma.
So this is it.
So with the current generation, they don't want stuff where they cook, they brew, and then something remains. So we have moved here. This is instant bread and instant black. So we have something to offer for them to take. And we want to.
So the instant black, you just it is warm as a hot cup of water, and
Exactly.
then you just.
And then it just infuse.
And it's
Yeah.
no recipe.
And then it gives no recipe. And that is where our
This is where it is
generation
going
wants.
to end up.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we have also extended the black tea and added value, and we have now the 13 flavors.
Masala.
Yes, we have the masala. From here, this is spiced tea, then we go to floral, and then we go also to the veggie. So these are the black CTC teas, but it has flavors in it, natural flavors. Yes, and then I asked to demonstrate this. This is the herbal. It doesn't have the tea plant in it, because we also wanted to care for those people who say we don't want caffeine. So they can get something here which does not have caffeine. And there are people who want a drink and they don't want something that is high in citric or citrus. So anything that is coming from a fruit definitely will have the citric, the citrus acidity. Yes. So, sorry.
Excellency, what she's doing is the right way of, you put a tea bag first,
yes,
then water. And you do it the other way around, the results are different.
Yes, and this is how you just need to dangle it a little bit. Our people are used to squeezing it with a spoon. This is a pure pepper, it will just break. So you just dangle it a little bit and you are good to go. So this one is pure hibiscus, very high in antioxidant. This one is a mixed cherry of berries and cherries. We call it vitality because it revitalizes. It gives you back that energy whenever you take it. And this is a heart chai. This one is very good in cardiovascular. It improves the cardiovascular. It is actually hibiscus, lemon, and apple together, right? And here.
So long as the water is hot.
Yes, yes.
You just keep moving up and down.
You just keep moving it up and down.
You squeeze it with a spoon.
In a bread. Ginger, lemon, and the lemon we have actually done the bulk of the lemon, including even the seeds and including even the peel. And then we have added a dash of hibiscus just to enhance it.
Your Excellency, you always say, anything that is under the ground, you boil it. Anything which is above the ground, you brew it. These herbs are above the ground, so we are brewing them. That is above the ground, we brew them. So whenever you take this, it's all natural. The sweetness is natural. You don't have to add anything. And the benefit that comes with it, not just the herbal plant, all that.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
This one used to
Sudan.
Oh,
Excellency, just an aspect. The government has come to us.
Yes.
The government has come to us and says there's a catastrophe in Malawi.
Yes.
Like I remember there were floods or something.
Yes.
We did 50 containers.
Yes.
And we were happy to partner with the government. So this is a donation from the KTBS smallholder, the people and the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. But this was from the government. Assistance from the government, Republic of Kenya to Malawi.
So
in continue to do that.
Some of these we can even have
Yes. Yes. So whenever we are
travel, it's a part of marketing.
There's some
Thank you. My name is Your Excellency, thank you for being our since you flagged off the first consignment of Uganda, you've been able to ship 10 other consignments. Your Excellency, when you open this platform, you get 150 parties for asking all sorts of questions. Your Excellency, we've also listed in blue. This has helped us serve the wider African market, and we've been here for about 5 years. Your Excellency, we didn't stop there. In 2016, we launched our own e-commerce platform, and as at yesterday, Your Excellency, we've been able to ship teas to 58 countries. 30% of what we've shipped is within Kenya, but the next country is Switzerland, where you are. They buy a lot of our teas, followed by the United States, Canada, and Germany. That's how our team is. We hope that by the time we host you again, the entire map will be all yours. And of course, this is a sample order, so we shipped some teas to Switzerland, and we of course have shipped to the UK. Your Excellency, what we feel as the next stage for October is listing in Walmart.
Yes.
We've had a very successful visit to the US. We've been engaging
They're coming
Walmart.
to see me by the way.
Oh,
Absolutely, Your Excellency.
so this project, Your Excellency, has 10,000 families
make sure that the water people come. Let's call these people and so that
Excellent. This presents a very excellent opportunity for us. Your Excellency, we run on very technology, we leverage on data analytics, and we've won very many accolades globally. And finally, Your Excellency, thank you very much for being our ambassador. The Tanzanian market is opening up very well. We've shipped the first container from Africa. I think so really thank you, Your Excellency. So you've been our ambassador and we're very happy. So Your Excellency. The company's embassy. Yes. Hello. So again.
Empty.
So, ungependa kufanya namna gani? Tuone kama shirika inaweza kupatikana. Ndio irahisishe kazi hiyo ndio rahisi.
This is catering, yes.
Yes. What do you mean catering?
This one, aina uzi, kuna charge yenye iko na uzi, lakini with this one, aina uzi, hii ni target.
Oh, yeah. Alafu hii sasa ni ya
This is catering sugar, unaweka ndani ya chai, boil maji, or maji in maziwa, then unainisha ndani, then unainfusion.
Catering, Your Excellency, please follow us. Forward the catering. Aina hiyo rangi iko mbele. Iko mbele.
How are you doing?
Thank you for sharing.
Oh, you guys are very comfortable stuff. Oh, this is the